Thank you very much for joining me again. My name is Pete. This is PeteJCooper, the model builder, with a brand new build. And want to say thank you for joining me again, as I said, and have a look at all my other builds. We've got quite a few of them, and we're putting an extra one with it. But as I said in a previous, you may have already heard it. I've finished, or I've gotten the last part of the Back to the Future DeLorean build, and I will be finishing that off. You'll find the video. You'll find some very strange videos of that because I've taped parts of it very long time ago, and I'm going to tape some new things in the future because I've got everything in. And I wanted to wait for some parts for model mods before I wanted to do that because I had a lot of problems with the electric store, at least trying to turn the lights on or anything like that. So I've opted for the remote. You'll see that in the future. You're not going to see it now. I am going to go show you what the new build is, and let's see what it is. Let's go building. Woo. Who are you gonna call? This is the new build. There you go, Ecto 1, issue 1 of the Ghostbusters Ecto 1 car. Wanted to do this. This is one of the other iconic. This is one of the iconic cars I love to do. It's such a great build, and it's a pretty large one. It's 80 centimeters long. It's got quite a bit of things on it. So lights, sound, brake lights, sirens, a lot of it. But you'll see that when you find this out. I got this from Hero Collectors on their on the Eaglemoss website, eaglemoss.eu. But you can get this in Great Britain or then other places. But Hero Collector is the one that is bringing this out, but it's under the Eaglemoss brand. Love what Eaglemoss is doing at the moment, that they're having a European website where we Dutchies can order as well. Let's just show you the magazine for a moment. This in the start, it shows you which parts you have with the car, named and numbered. Shows you how to build it. The hood. Then a little bit about the original Ghostbusters, because there are a few other ones that are doing it now, the female version. And Dan Aykroyd is one of the producers, so together with what's his name? I can't remember. Well, we'll find out a little bit later. And he's actually the one, I think, that wrote it. And there's a background story on it as well, together with Harold Ramis. They were the ones who made the picture the way it was. And there's some stills from the movie. Dan Aykroyd was a car fanatic, so that was really nice to see. And here you see Ivan Reitman, that's the one I was looking for. Here you see what's coming a little bit more. As you see, here is a website where you can get some extra photos to put in your album, or to keep, or to use in your vlog. And they'll show you what in the next issue. I've got 6 issues in total, with 3 magazines. So I will be doing as the magazines come, and I will be showing it to you. And I will have to put this down. I'm sorry, Hans. There you go. We're going to get the hood out. There you go. Massive piece. Black on the inside, as you see. Matte black finish. We're going to put it in. I've heard a lot of people saying that they're not good. With what I can see here, it looks fine. We get this screwdriver. I'm sorry, Eagles, but I hate them. They're too tiny. I've got a massive hand. I cannot use those. So I've got my Kingdom screwdriver with all different kinds of heads, and I've got tweezers, I've got other screwdrivers that I may need, I've got scalpels, and I don't know, but I've got this as well, which is a wax pen, or don't know what you call it. But if you have very tiny bits, you can pick it up by pushing it into the wax and putting it in. I've got a great screw cutter, and as always, I've got a bit of oil whenever there is an M screw. I don't know, they do the same thing, but some of them brands choose to put an M there when you're screwing into metal, and a P for when you're screwing into plastic. Whenever a screw has an M, I can see this one has as well. I will put a tiny drop of, I will dip it in a bit of oil, and it's a tiny amount of oil as you see there, but just on the tip, it's easier to put everything in. Oh, I like these bags. Oh, they are the better ones. So we've got AM screws, and I need that sticker for the screw box I have. I've made a screw box with a sticker on it so I know which one it is, and of course I need to hold it like that. I will be putting all the spares in that box. Take air vent 1, that's this one, and put it on this side. If you look at the orientation, there are orientation pins. I cannot put one on this side, I need to put one on this side. There's no other way for me to do it. So I am going to use number 2, where they're saying that... Is there anything in... No. Just look at the lugs. Number 2, as it is shown right there, don't know if you can see it, right in front of my thumb, is going in right here. That is a little bit thicker, and that's a thin one, so we're going to put it on it like so. If you don't like this, there are some people making what you can call proper vents. I'm not going to spend a lot of money on extra or mods, but I will spend on some money, which I already ordered, on the power mod, which I got from Model Mods. Check out their website. They've got quite a lot of things, but there are some other people doing some great mods as well, like Mike Lane. He is doing some great mods as well. I've ordered from him as well. And there are some other people out there as well. I don't know them by heart, but Model Mods and Mike Lanes, I can almost say they've more or less cornered the market. No. Let's see if I can make that happen. Okay, don't over tighten it. Let's have a look. Now, that can only go in that way. That pin there, that pin there. There you go. I'm not too unhappy with it. I don't know why people are. I'm not too unhappy with this. As you noticed, I did not put any oil. Let's see what happens when we do. It screws in so much better. That's a bit of a pity. With screwing in, that paint just came off. But I've got pens to paint pens to do that some justice, or to undo that. Happens there as well. Did not happen there, and don't think it will happen on the lower side here. Something you might want to look at, Eagamos. No. Let's put that aside. If I see if I can find my white thin pen. I need to do it in a can't do that at once, but that is that done. Have a look at that. I'm quite alright with that. So we're going to put that aside on this cloth with the right side color up. And we're going to get the fender out. And little funny thing, we've got the Ecto 1 number plate. Nothing in there anymore. So we're going to put those two together, like so. There's a little ledge there, but you get it in if you push it in properly. And we're going to put some BMs in there, 4 of them in total. And that finishes off the first part of this stage, and that is that, and that with that gives you stage number 1. Okay, it was a very quick one, but I just wanted to surprise you with this build. There will be some more on this car, and I pretty much liked what I did. I heard a lot of people say they didn't like parts of it, but as far as I'm concerned at the moment, it's doing just fine for me. I don't need those vents that Mike Lane made. I'm happy with these. I'm happy with what I've had, what I have at the moment, and we'll see what we do next time. Well, we do next time more of the front of the car, as you see right there. More of the front of the car with the grille and the lights. And thank you again. This is something that brings a smile to my face to do, and it is such a nice car. It was such a nice movie, and we had such a lot of fun with it. And I hope it's. I have so much fun as I hope I do. I hope it shows, and I hope you like it. So if you do, please like it. Subscribe if you haven't been subscribed yet, and pass it on to others. And with that, I say thank you very much for watching. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. I'm going to repeat it: like, subscribe, and pass it on. And see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.